The weather is definitely cold here in Ontario, but we're gonna have some lipstick. So my favorite place is Homesense. So I went here to get some inspo to see if I can try and recreate these two scenes. Check it out. So of course I'm going to be using ChatGPT for these two styles. So let's go and see what we can do. So as always, you always want to prompt this AI generator as best as you can. Depending on what it is, the more description, the better. Sometimes the less of a description, the better output you get. Depends on the item. So I can't remember what this looks like. So let's go back and let's keep typing. And you can see that I keep changing and putting it back. So I know this can be very discouraging for people because they don't think the AI knows what it's doing, but you really just have to learn how to prompt it properly. ChatGPT, Bing AI, all of these AI generators need you to input the correct information. Sometimes there's filler words that just don't make no sense to add to it, and it gets confused. But if you are thought-provoking and trying new things and trying new words, you'll see very quickly how you have to take things out. So yeah, I know this is taking forever, so let's speed up the last part here. Okay, so we got our output and this looks pretty good. This one is more of a cartoon illustration, hand-drawn, but this looks pretty good. So I forgot to add that I need to put an actual photo in the background, like a painting. So I forgot to put that in the initial prompt. So that might screw this up a little bit, but we'll see what we can get from this. Let's see. So I sped a lot of this up because it does take some time, but look at this. This is pretty good. This is pretty good. But then I just realized that the couch is not the same, and I actually don't know what style couch it would be called. I guess it's called abstract, modern. I tried so many different things and I didn't actually get exactly what I wanted. I tried to look online. It says pooch, pouch, or whatever, poof, whatever it's called, but I didn't get the exact name that I was looking for. So I'm going to go and try a different color in the different couch that I showed before, and let's see what we get. Again, I have to keep going back because your girl can't remember. So I keep going back trying to see if I can describe what's in the photo properly. Just remember, you always have to be patient when you're using the AI prompts, ChatGPT, Midjourney, Bing, because it does get a little tricky. Because look how big that Christmas tree is. I wanted it smaller, but I wasn't specific. So let me see if I can try and make it smaller. So after this one, it does get a little bit wonky, and I kind of don't get what I want. But initially, I kind of got what I wanted. I wanted to make the Christmas tree a little bit greener, and it ended up giving me this. I mean, I like the original better, but I know ChatGPT can make it a little bit more intricate. But look at the final product. I think it's pretty cute. So I think I accomplished what I set out to do. You just got to try something new and not get discouraged and just continue on. So if you're still intrigued, a little scared to try AI, and you're curious about it, just keep watching, subscribe, follow, like, comment, ask me any questions, and I'll be uploading every day this week. Bye.